my super rocket bonus from last round, I get to double that, which means I am one turn away from crushing all of you for the 5th day in a row.
Oh, there's no way I'm winning this one. Nari, can I go grab some more space candy noodles from your kitchen?
Just bring the whole bag. Those things are delish. No! Stupid bird! I was winning! My streak will last for eternity, and I won't let you live to see it! Stop! Do you even see what a perfect opportunity this is? It's the perfect opportunity to kick some bird butt. No, animal videos are all the rage right now. Or at least that's what I've heard. Silence, everyone. This bird has chosen my home, and my home is where it will stay. I have named this bird Noodle Ned, after his love of my candy noodles. Noodle Ned is one of us now. Can I pet Noodle Ned? Zeke, Noodle Ned doesn't like you. Not yet, but he will. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, want the candy. Come on, come on! Aha! Ow! Ow! Little Ned, help me! Kika! Kika! I'll save you, Rita! What are you doing?
Hi.
Wait, guys! Look, the game! Noodle Ned is on my team now because Noodle Ned is my roommate. A bird playing board games. Oh yeah, I'm winning again. That was Noodle Ned's decision. He must like you after all. Zeke, if you ask him nicely, I bet he'll let you take a super cute video of him rolling the dice. Excuse me, Mr. Noodle, would you mind if I took a super cute video of you? I'll let you keep 15% of the profits when we go viral. Oh yeah, this will definitely get me at least 5 likes! Leon, don't be scared of Noodle Ned. Leon is scared of feathers.
What did he say?
You're safe. He won't attack you now.
So he likes me?
Not exactly.
What do you mean?
He really likes your pink hair.
Oh, okay. Cool.
And I told him you'd help dye his feathers pink.
I am not doing that.
I'm getting the dye! I'm getting the dye!
New episode every Saturday.